For 3 decades, JavaScript has been the only language the web browser would run. It's powerful, but it was never designed for the kind of raw computation that modern apps demand. WebAssembly is the answer, a new binary format that lets nearly any language run in the browser at near native speed.
JavaScript is a remarkably capable language, but it carries a fundamental overhead. The engine has to parse your source code, build an abstract syntax tree, compile it, and optimize it, all at runtime while you're waiting. For lightweight apps, this is fine, but for heavy 3D rendering, video processing, or scientific simulations, JavaScript hits a wall. Browser vendors spent years trying to make their JIT compilers faster, but they were fighting the wrong battle.
The numbers tell a stark story. Benchmarks consistently show WebAssembly executing compute-intensive workloads 2 to 3 times faster than equivalent JavaScript. The technology launched in 2017, and in a historic first, all 4 major browsers shipped support simultaneously on day 1. Today, it's supported by over 96% of browsers worldwide.
WebAssembly, WASM for short, is a compact binary instruction format designed as a portable compilation target. You write code in C, C++, Rust, Go, or dozens of other languages, and a compiler transforms it into a .wasm module. That module loads in the browser like any other resource, and the JavaScript engine runs it directly. No parsing overhead, no dynamic type guessing, just lean bytecode that maps closely to native machine instructions. The journey from source code to running WASM has 4 clean steps. You write your program in a systems language like Rust or C++. A toolchain, mscriptin, WASMpack, or a native compiler compiles it to a .wasm binary. The browser fetches and instantiates the module, validating its structure in milliseconds. Then, the browser's engine compiles the bytecode to optimize native machine code and executes it. The whole process happens in a fraction of the time JavaScript startup takes. Comparing WebAssembly and JavaScript side by side reveals why they're complementary, not competing. JavaScript shines at DOM manipulation, event handling, and rapid app logic. WebAssembly owns the performance-critical compute layer, predictable throughput, no JIT guessing, statically typed execution. The best WASM apps use both. JavaScript for the glue, WASM for the heavy lifting. WebAssembly isn't a lab experiment. It's already powering applications millions of people use every day. Unity and Unreal Engine both ship browser builds via WASM, letting players run full 3D games without installing anything. Figma's core rendering engine runs on WASM, making complex vector graphics feel silky smooth in a browser tab. And tools like FFmpeg, compiled to WASM, can transcode video entirely client-side with no server involved.
One of WebAssembly's most powerful properties is its language neutrality. Rust has the most mature WASM tooling and produces the smallest, fastest modules. C and C++ were the first supported via mscriptin. Go, .NET, Python, and AssemblyScript all have solid WASM targets today. The ecosystem is growing rapidly. If a language has an LLVM backend or a dedicated compiler, chances are it already targets WASM. WebAssembly's ambitions have already outgrown the browser. The WASI standard, the WebAssembly System Interface, lets WASM modules run on servers, edge nodes, and embedded devices with the same sandboxed safety model. Companies like Fastly and Cloudflare use WASM for edge compute that cold starts in microseconds. The same binary that runs in your browser can run on a server in a data center or on a tiny IoT chip. That's a genuinely new capability. WebAssembly didn't just solve a performance problem, it fundamentally changed what's possible on the web platform. From browser games to cloud edge functions, from medical imaging to machine learning, the same portable binary format runs safely and efficiently everywhere. The web just got a lot faster.